Although we have a vast amount of data in our legacy retail system, getting that data out and actually using it for intelligible analytics was really difficult. So we needed something that could pull that data out, assemble it in a logical format and allow users to access the reports that they wanted to see more quickly.
Something that we could easily reconcile and ensure it got compliance and it was accurate, a single source of the truth effectively. And that was sort of the main reasons that we went down the route of looking for a tool that could allow us to do that. And Cognos just stood out for us from the crowd effectively as being that enterprise-wide solution that could scale up or scale down accordingly to get what we wanted from it.
We have our underlying retail operating system, and that's the major source of data for us. To actually do the implementation, we needed to create a database out of that data. So we had to work on how we extracted the data out, how we cleaned it up in a suitable fashion to make it sort of logical. So we looked for a partner to help us do that implementation because we didn't have the skills in-house to do everything ourselves. So we worked with Assimilate because they had some understanding of our business for a start, and we kind of got on with them and felt that we could do business with them.
DFS, and from our perspective in terms of how we implemented IBM Cognos with our partners Assimilate and using the software cloud environment as well, meant that we didn't have to necessarily have a heavy IT footprint within DFS to be able to maintain and control the application itself and all the infrastructure, which from our perspective has been a real benefit and a real plus point, and the support we've had from Assimilate has been second to none.
The main business benefit so far has been speed of getting information out. Certain questions that you would have liked to have asked previously would literally have taken days to get to the answer, but now it's seconds or minutes at worst.
One area that was a key focus for us around our product information. As you can imagine, with a company like DFS, we've got a huge variety of range and product, and what we weren't able to get from our existing retail system was easy access to tap into that really critical data about product performance and analysis and understanding. So we quickly identified that using IBM Cognos and the power that held within it, we could really start interrogating our product information far more readily and far quicker to allow us to get really to the nub of the issues around product performance, campaign performance, and just how well we were actually performing in some really key areas for us.
At board level, the IBM Cognos tool gives us confidence that we're looking at the right level of information and insight around the business, but it provides me with different lenses around looking at performance in different ways. We are now able to look in much more granular detail around the drivers of performance, and so it's being used much more interactively on a day-by-day basis now.
We're now into pretty much every area of the organisation, so our merchandising teams, marketing teams, our retail sales teams, they're getting daily feeds out in a variety of ways now. So when the guys arrive at their desks in the morning, they open their inbox up and there's something there ready telling them what the sales numbers were for yesterday, what the salesman's performance was for yesterday, etc. What we're delivering out of IBM Cognos has created an appetite for more information, and that's great from our perspective because we can see that people are out there are not only using what we can give them, but ultimately recognise the benefits it can drive for them longer term.